Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make alpha triangle logo design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Go to Start tool and click on background and select 3 points, then press OK. Now make a triangle shape. Put it white color. Go to edit option and make copy, go back and paste in front. Now make alphabet shape with it. Select both files and select shape builder tool and delete extra part. Now make one more triangle shape. Now put it in the middle of first shape. Write text A and select your desired font, and put it in the middle of second shape. Create text outlines. Go to Pathfinder and click on -front. Now make a line with pen tool. Copy the lines. Select all lines, then go to Object and Expand Appearance. Unchecked Fill, press OK. Select both files and go to Pathfinder, click -front. Put text in it. I'm using Now You See Me font and Save and UFFP font. Align files with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.